Grandpa?
Why can't the government just print more money so everyone becomes rich?
That's one of the most important questions in economics. Wow, everyone is rich.
Yes, Leo, they are.
Let's imagine they really printed unlimited money. This is amazing! All right, time for the new tags.
Wait, why is everything getting expensive?
There are still only a few apples. But now everyone has lots of money. $5, $10.
$20.
People compete by paying more.
Wow.
That's called inflation. Oh!
Oh!
I'll have one of those, please. That'll be $50. What? $50? We need higher salaries.
I'm sorry, that's not possible. But everything costs more now.
Workers need higher wages because everything costs more.
Excellent, the prices are up. Yes, that's more like it. Whoa, check this out. We got raises. Nice.
Your savings buy less every year.
Oh, Grandpa, that's not good.
Some countries actually experience this. Wow. Real wealth comes from making more goods and providing better services.
So printing money doesn't create more stuff.
Exactly. More money without more production only makes prices rise.
What's another money myth you'd like Grandpa to explain?
Don't forget to subscribe.